In the last couple of years, we've launched and improved proposals, taking your quotes to the next level with a rich online experience. They look great and have the ability to include images, multiple choice, and optional extras, giving your clients more control in the buying process. Today, we're giving you more flexibility around how you present your items and pricing in proposals. When you add a materials section, in addition to being able to set items as multiple choice, optional, or fixed, you can now set them as fixed without itemized pricing. So you can still list everything you're going to do like normal, but the customer can only see the name of each item and a subtotal. This is great for those jobs where you want to break down what you're charging for without giving the customer a fully detailed list so they can use it to price check you or shop around with your competition. For some proposals, there's a lot of back and forth as the client requests changes. So you end up with multiple revisions and lose access to the previous versions. Now you can see a proposal's full version history with all significant changes. You can quickly review a previous version you've sent to check something, or find a section that you deleted by accident at some point. And if the client wants to go back to an earlier version, you can simply restore it. The final improvement we have for proposals was the biggest request, the ability to save them as a PDF. The thing about converting a proposal to a PDF is that PDFs offer a worse experience. They don't support videos, photos don't enlarge when you click or tap them, and optional items are not optional. They're just not interactive like the online experience. But we know it's common for some of your clients to require a PDF. So we're adding the ability for your clients to download PDFs from the proposal viewer. This lets your customer get the full experience, try the different options, watch the videos and so on, then download a PDF version for their needs. If you offer multiple choice or optional extras, the customer can make their selections and download each version they're interested in.